Hello, my name is Wesley Septo, and for today's mecadminute, I will be showing you how to download parts from the electrical content portal. So once you've realized during the design process that you do not have the required part for your schematic diagram, so no problem. What we will simply do is we will go to our library tab, click on the manufacturer parts manager, and this icon right here, get more content. Once you expand that, we click on online content, which will then launch our internet browser. You register for your SOLIDWORKS electrical content portal account in order to gain access. Once you've entered, you will now have access to the various electrical parts of the electrical content portal. So I know that I am looking for an LSIS VFD, so I simply type in the manufacturer name. I scroll down, I see drives. I also see that I have two options available, one for silver, one for gold. If you are an active SOLIDWORKS subscription member, you have access to the gold level. If you are not on active subs and you are running a trial, you do have access to the silver. Only difference is there are symbols for the gold and only the catalog data for the silver. So now I can simply download and wait till the magic happens. Once downloaded, I can now minimize my internet browser, returning to my electrical window. I can now unarchive. I select my recently downloaded part. I follow the prompts, and now I can view what will be added. I can also see the quantity that will be added. And now finish. It's a very neat way to expand your library and also to help you focus more on the designing and not the data that you will be inputting. So I go to my part, component properties, manufacturer parts and circuits, search, and now, as this is a black box schematic symbol, I simply remove all the filters. I go down to LSIS, and now there's the drive that I would like. I simply add, select, OK, and there we go. All my data has been added. Everyone's happy. And if you like what you've seen, you can simply like, share, subscribe, and enable those notifications, and we'll see you on the next mecadminute.